Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm here to talk about Jujutsu Kaisen episode number 11, and this episode was amazing. This is hands down the best episode of Jujutsu Kaisen till now, and hands down this is the best thing I've watched so far in this season. I've been watching Higurashi, Noblesse, Haikyuu, and Golden Kamuy, Talentus, Nana, and one more, Moriarty the Patriot. I've been watching these shows, and this episode was the best thing I've seen this season so far. I just loved this episode. From starting till the end, everything was absolute heat. So we start with their fight, Nanami and what's his name? I don't know his name, but the cursed spirit that is. We see their fight, and Nanami goes overtime, and Nanami is such a badass. I really do like him, and so he kind of destroys him, but kind of does not. So he damages him enough so that he can retreat. So because he was also really injured, so he retreated from there, and he seems injured. I thought that he left alive there, but now he's going to be fighting again. It looks like, and I don't want him to die, but he's gonna die. I hope Gojo comes and saves Nanami, because Nanami, I really do like his character and don't want him to leave the show just yet. So yeah, that was all about Nanami in this show. In this episode, we had some moments in the end too with Nanami where he was talking to Itadori. He was like, you know what, I'll take care of it, and you just focus on Junpei. That's what he should be. So he knows that Itadori is not he doesn't want to put kids in danger. We already know about his character. He, in his eyes, adults are meant to be doing everything, and kids, they are meant to be protected. Once they are adults, then they can do they can then defend themselves. But for now, it is our job, adults job, that they protect the children and stuff. So that's what his mentality is. So yeah, that's why he's like, Itadori, you're not gonna be going with me. You'll just keep focus on Junpei. That's it. And rest of the episode, it was just such a heartwarming episode. Seeing Junpei smile, and his life has the past two episodes have been really gloomy. So seeing Junpei smile and seeing Itadori and Junpei talk and just laughing and everything, it was just so heartwarming to see. And I love this episode. I don't know how many times I will tell you during this video, but I did love this episode. So they meet in the park. Itadori's character it's just so different than any other protagonist. So I just love Itadori too. He is so much fun to watch, and he's such a nice person. You can see by his personality, Itadori is one of the nicest person you'll ever see. So, and he and Junpei, they just start talking. We see Junpei's mom. That it doesn't end well for her, but at first I did not expect that. Okay, I really did not expected Junpei's mom to die. I did not. Some people would be there when we were introduced to her, so it would make sense that some people might have seen it coming, but for me, I just did not saw it, and I just never thought that she was gonna die, but that ended up happening. And the way it happened, it frustrates me. The story, the writing is just really good, because first they make you attached with Junpei, and they had his family. We see them having such a fun time, and then from that to seeing her mother die, because it was a ploy from the cursed spirit and the other Jujutsu sorcerer. It was a ploy from them so that they can turn Junpei on their side and then have another powerful ally. For that, it frustrates you and makes you wanna see the cursed spirit and the other sorcerer go down, and that's really good writing. And I love that part too. And Junpei goes to the school where there was he is now angry because of course his mom died. So makes sense that he is going down this route, and only Itadori at the end moment comes to save. So it was just so good watching them both talk and hit it off. It was Junpei finally has somebody he can openly talk to and have just enjoy his life. But that didn't last for long, and Itadori comes, and so Itadori and Junpei, I don't know if they're gonna have a fight or it's just gonna be everything is gonna be just verbal, but I hope in the opening we see Junpei with the I don't know their school name, but with that outfit only. So I feel like Junpei might go to Itadori, like go on to Itadori's side, but I don't know. I'm not sure, but in the opening it was so. I think so. He will go on to their side, so that's where I'm a little bit relieved, but I'm still not sure how it's gonna go. And I just really wanna see like Gojo come and they smack the shit out of both of them, like Jujutsu Sorcerer and that Curse Spirit. And just fingers crossed that Nanami doesn't die next episode. I hope. And there were also some comedy scenes with the manager. He's also a really cool and fun character to watch. So that was it about the episode. I genuinely don't have anything else to say besides that this was like the best episode of any anime this season that I am watching at least, and definitely the best episode of Jujutsu Kaisen for sure. Like I just enjoyed this episode a lot. Everything from like from the fight, the action scene was done like really beautiful, and also the music and everything. Like this episode, just I don't know. This shows me the potential of Jujutsu Kaisen. This episode like definitely shows me why people are like such huge fans of Jujutsu Kaisen, and I'm just really looking forward to the next like all the next episodes that are going to come, because I think so those are gonna be at least near this, like at the level of this episode only, like near the level of this episode. So I'm really excited for the next few episodes that are going to come. So that was it about episode 11. Let me know what did you guys think about it in the comments below, and I will be here for episode 12 next week. So till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.